Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami star model. That star is actually this small, but then we'll make such multiple stars and we'll create a beautiful decorative origami portrait. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this star model, we'll be using this strip. This is a strip 20 centimeters cross 2 centimeters. And this is a super simple star. And first we'll be folding it from the center like this. So you'll get a double strip of 1 centimeter cross 20 centimeters. This is the open edge, this is the fold here. So give me one sec. Yeah. So first we'll be just rolling this like this and make a knot. So basically you can put like this and then you fold this inwards like this. This much is enough. You won't need much. And then you need to pull this this edge or this corner like this, and it will form a knot like this. Press it properly. This is how it looks. Now you fold this portion like this on this side of the edge. Press it tightly. Now all the way we'll just folding this entire strip. So first fold, it will go on this side like this towards this corner. Fold it like this. Second fold, it will go towards the top. That's it. All you need to do is the same thing, repeat. Fold it like this. Fold, this goes towards the top. Fold it like this, and then again this goes towards the top. Fold it like this, and now this goes towards the top, but then it's ending, so we'll just fold it slightly like this, and then we'll put it in this like this. Press it properly, and this is the shape. This is how we will put it. This is the front face of the star, we can say it as. Now all we need to do is use your fingers, slightly press it from the center here. Do this slowly, otherwise your star will look very bad or ugly. So yeah, this is how you just press it. Slightly you press it slowly. Apply some little pressure. Don't apply too much pressure. Slightly and slowly like this. Use your nail and press it. This way it will get a proper shape. Slightly uniformly press it from all the directions like this, from all the sides. So now you give it a shape like this. Sometimes this gets a proper shape, sometimes it doesn't. That's fine. For the proper star, probably you'll need a foil or something, because this is a regular origami paper which unfolds itself. So if you have a foil or something like that, it will retain its shape when you fold it. So this is the small origami star model. Now we'll make such multiple stars. Let me show it to you. I have some made already. Tiny stars all around. We'll be making a nice portrait out of these stars like this, and let's make few more and I'll show the final portrait. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I see you all back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned.